Let's look at the today's trade which happened in a bank nifty. So was expected the reversal to happen at the day high since the buyers were weak. So I was posted in the telegram at 11 o'clock when the price were trading at this point. I was expected some sort of sellers will come and push the price at day high, that is 34,250, this area. But the buyers were so strong when taking the day high, so I didn't take any BYF setup for a short. And the meantime I was having another zone which is 34,460 area, which I was expecting a sellers to come in and push the price down, and as expected the sellers were came in. But unfortunately this area the SL was too big, so it was close to 120 points, so which I don't usually trade. I usually trade with 50 to 60 point SL in a back nifty, so I haven't get any good opportunity for a short at this area. I was expected this trade to go at least day low for 500 points because the buyers were a bit weaker at this stage, but unfortunately it was reversed at this point, and this whole area was fully confusion for me, so I didn't have any trade at this point. But as per as the system, the one shot triggered at this point, but I haven't traded because of the SL. So I don't take any trade because the price is in a confusion mode. So what I will do is I will wait for the whole day, no trade. So I will stop trading at 3 o'clock. I don't have any trade, so maybe I'll come back tomorrow and I'll look for a good setup. Stay disciplined, practice patience. Thank you.